generally log in. Okay, so here you can see, sorry, not here. So here you can see the version details and all. What is the version? Okay, it's 5.2.6.3. Okay,
mm,
apart from that, so in our org, there's a slightly difference. We have, I have multiple projects which is
mm,
allocated with me. So in those projects, we have using different Sling integrators. Okay,
mm,
so one you can see the version is 5.2.3. Okay,
mm,
apart from that, I have the one or another version is there. Okay,
mm,
so both of the versions are the same specs. Okay, but there's only one difference. Okay, in
mm.
UI and all, that is the API integration. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, but our organizations have not taken the still API details. Okay, for that they
Mm,
need to just take one more license from the IBM, then they can use the API things in that. Okay,
okay.
so the both of the versions will be like
Mm,
the UI looks like same and the use case looks like the same only.
mm,
Something let it be. Let me open QA. So Kama prod is not opening because there's a weekend patches something is there which is working on that. Okay, so this is the QA version. Okay, I will explain you what is the difference in QA and all. Okay, here you can
mm,
see the version is 6.1.2. Okay,
mm,
apart from the everything will be same. Okay, every service will look like same. There are no further technical changes. Okay,
mm,
now coming to the this part. Okay, how and what things in this. Okay,
mm,
so there are two things. Okay, let me open the notepad. So in SI, okay, we are having
mm,
always three environments. Okay, one will be prod,
mm,
okay, QA,
mm.
and dev.
Okay.
Okay, they always will be three environments. So majorly we work on QA. Okay,
Mhm.
after of doing all of the testing, we move the changes on prod. Okay,
Sure. Mm,
but if there are some major things which we need to work, so we work with dev. Okay, first
mm,
dev, then QA, then prod. Okay,
mm,
all three are totally different entities. All three are not connected to each other. Okay,
mhm,
so this is how our product looks like, a blue color. Generally we prefer blue color. Okay, we can just merge it. Okay,
mm,
so this is how it looks like. So in this, we are today what we are going to do, I will let you know to just search how we can search the basic files. Okay, file monitoring
mm,
systems and all and all. Okay,
mm,
so we'll start with business processes. Okay, we'll click on monitor. Okay, after monitor we'll click on advanced search. Okay,
mm,
in this, let's suppose we have some partner XYZ
mhm,
correlation. Just click on correlation. Wait. Oh. that is pushing the file on our mailbox. Okay. So what
mm,
we'll do the mailbox path. Okay. And we'll give the that partner mailbox name. Okay. Whatever with the path. Okay. We'll
mm,
just click on go. Sorry. I need to give any path. Then I can show you files. Wait. So here is the one more thing. Advanced document search. So if we know the sender ID or receiver ID of any partner or just their
mm,
TP code, okay, we'll just come here, okay,
mm,
we just type, you know, TYS TP code, okay, so
mm,
and we'll search their partner name. What is the partner? Okay, just I'm searching one partner name with their
mm,
TP code, okay. After clicking on go, I will get the those file which comes on that particular date filter, okay.
mm.
So here you can see that files are came. Okay. This is our file. It will be an idoc. Okay. We just what we search the TP code. You can see this is the TP code we search. Okay.
Mm.
Apart from that, we can
So
search with the
where
sender
we can
ID.
where we can get that TP code? Is this the means format is same that 850i Walmart something like that?
Yeah. So it's when you are going to set your partner. Okay. So you
Mm-hmm.
need to define it your end like whatever the name
Okay.
you are going to define. Okay.
Okay.
Let's suppose now we are sending with the sender ID. Okay. We just we have defined the date, particular date, and the sender ID. Okay, you just
Mm-hmm.
will click on go. Whatever the files we have received with the sender ID will fetch. You can see with the sender ID we have 2006. The total number of document is this
Mm-hmm.
much. Okay, so this is a way we can search with these all things. Okay, target control count. Okay, acknowledgement to save, test mode, compliance status, document
Mm-hmm.
size, okay, sender ID, receiver ID, okay,
So this is for one file, right? That
yeah. This is for every file we have. I told you, no? In
this is
ISA we have everything is
ah,
their separate things, okay.
okay.
Every file having these unique numbers, okay. These are those files which having same sender ID, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now these are the use of here. We can use any of this, like whatever we know, okay, related to the file. Let's suppose partners
Mm-hmm.
how and what things we use in this. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
some failures happen in production or okay when partner what we partner tell us their sender ID, we got to know their sender ID, receiver ID, whatever it is. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And their TP code, from there
Right.
we just find the file. Okay, so I would
So
like,
these are the all files present in production.
yeah,
Yeah.
whatever I just search you whatever the files were uh, present in the production. I'll show you one more thing in this which is important. So this is the process ID. Okay. When
Mm.
we receive a file, it will all generate a process ID. I will discuss you regarding this further. Now coming to the correlation. Okay, this is the type where we got the correlation and all, like document details and all. But in
Mm.
correlations are just little bit different. Okay, and we search sender. Okay, I'm searching with the same sender. Okay,
Mm.
here you can see the same number of count and document match with the sender ID.
Mm.
Okay, with their initial of process, business process. Okay,
Mm.
whatever the business process contain those things. Wait, let me set any other correlation. Wait. Mm, Wait, I will show you one thing. I will explain you after some time this what I'm searching. Okay, I just need any path to show you one thing. While this. Yeah. So I just searched a path, okay, .gis. Okay. In this you can see here the number of documents which we have related to that. Okay. Apart from that, here we find all the process system which we have, okay, with particular GIS system on running. Okay.
Mm.
So these process are related with those documents which we are have extracted, okay, from that particular path. When we search here in correlation, mailbox path, okay,
Mm.
we'll get that those things, okay. Got it?
Uh, can you please explain this again?
Yeah. So what I have done here, I just
Mm.
search as a mailbox path slash
Okay.
GIS, okay. In this
Mm.
you can see the 349s are documents. This is the number of documents, okay.
In that mailbox.
Yeah, on
Mm.
was used in last particular date filter which we have used, okay.
Mm.
And those mailbox is run by these business process names, okay.
Mm.
And these
Okay.
are their IDs,
Okay.
okay. For
Mm.
example, I will show you one process how and what happened here. You can see there's a mailbox extract begin here,
Mm.
okay. And the by using this adapter, is the file we have pushed with GIS, okay,
Mm.
and extracted successfully, okay, on that particular path. Got it?
Mm. Mm.
So this will be Rails, and this is their instant ID.
Mm.
This is a one way. Wait, Mm, I will again search and show you one more thing. Apart from that, we can search the file with the document name. For example, I'm just copying one document name. Okay, I will just paste the value here, or here I will put mailbox message name.
Mm.
Here you can see that particular document again. Okay,
Mm.
so these are the correlations we use always in SI. Okay, apart
Mm.
from that, you are aware with SAP.
SAP?
Yeah, SAP system.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so in SAP system, this is always a one thing is IDOC number. Okay, in
Mm.
this we use IDOC num, like we just configure here. To change mail, not here, sorry, document, interchange document number, envelope, syntax. was the IDOC number? Wait. Shipment total trace. Yeah. Here's the IDOC number. So we can just search that IDOC number for that particular date and we'll find the that particular document. Okay.
Hmm.
So this is the use case when the document we are sending from outbound to partner. Okay.
Hmm.
So I told you three or four different things. One, we can send the search the document with by using just TP code. Okay. Apart from that, the sender ID, receiver IDs, okay, interchange control numbers,
Hmm.
okay, and the mailbox path. Okay. Apart from that, we if we know the mailbox file name, we can search with file name. Okay. Apart from that, with the IDOC number. Okay. This is the scenarios. Got it?
Yes.
So these things we use to search the files and all.
Files. Hmm.
Later on, mm, here's a central search. In central search, what you will find here, whatever the process name, like suppose I just search this, not this one. I just search this process name. By using this particular path in that particular time zone, how many times of this scheduler run, we can see the scheduler things. Okay,
Hmm.
these are business process which run in last that particular time. Okay, the maximum range for this is 1000, so we cannot see more than 1008 one time. Okay, this is the drawback of SL indicator. Apart from that, here is the current process. When you click here in current process, you can see whatever things is currently running in the background of selling integrator. Okay,
Hmm.
the those BPs. Okay, when you will click on current documents, it is not loading. It's loading, I think so. Mm, yeah.
Is this QA button?
Yeah, this is QA system. Yeah. So here you can see the current documents which are currently running. Okay. It's update every 20 seconds. Okay. So whenever you will click, you will see next documents, whatever present in the whatever running in the Sterling Tool. Okay. So sometimes why prod having will not show you result because it will take those documents are already processed or sometimes it will take
Mm.
time and all. Okay. Because it's update every 20. Apart from that, this is the current activities. Okay. Here you can just search whatever you want to search on that particular services type base. Okay. For example, I just search no, this is a defect. You can search all. Yeah, might be this as well. So you can search this like whatever activities are running or not on that particular moment. Okay. Any, Mhm. So yes, we'll check and in this you can just search your system is currently activated or not. Okay, that's all. Now I just search this so you can see this is the current service which is run. Okay. One more thing I just want to inform you on this. So, for example, this is our broad system. Okay. So our broad system is divided in two different nodes. Nodes, you understand? Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes.
Starting nodes, you understand what is node?
No,
Hello.
no, no, I don't.
Okay. So, for example, it's all we work on all of the web pages and web-based services. Okay, in which we define the system with two different node with a sync of same database. Okay. So we have same production system. Both will be up with the two different URLs and two different IP addresses. Okay. So will we
Mm.
call the nodes. Okay. Node 1 or node 2. Okay. The IP
Okay.
address will be different. The URL will be different. Okay.
Okay.
And apart from that, it all looks like same. Okay.
Mm.
It will be same present in QA and dev. Okay.
Okay.
So here you can see the last activity worked on node 1. Okay. So this is a part of business process. Apart from that, is the EDINT. Okay. We just want to check if in AS2, okay, file is
Mm.
reaching to partner or not. We'll just click on go. Okay. Okay. I clicked on go without selecting. So there's a partner list. Okay. Here you can see in last 24 hours these many files are gone. Okay. So when I
Okay.
show you, click on this. Okay. Here you can see the file. Okay. This is the file. Is an actual file. Okay. The message is 824. Now
Okay.
here is the MDN of that particular thing. We are sending two. Okay. This is the two from.
Mm.
This is the company name. Okay. Here's the AS2 ID, to and from. And this is
Mm.
the acknowledgement. Apart from that, there is their signature, which is we call as certificate. Okay.
Mm.
This is the details. Apart from that, there is a message, the time and all. Okay. The URL. Okay. Where we send the file. Here we can see those things. Okay.
Mm.
Got it?
Okay. Yes.
So this is the use case of this all monitoring system. These things we use. Okay. Apart from this, we don't use another thing.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
So this is the first part of IBM Sterling Tool of monitoring the file systems. How and where we
Mm.
monitor the file systems. Got it?
Okay. Yeah.
Now today I will give you a little bit more overview of the things. Okay. This is how our map editor looks like. Okay. This is
Okay.
an 855 map.
Mm.
Okay. You can see this right hand side. This is the inbound source is the IDOC and the outbound source will be an EDI. Okay. MCXual. So this is how
Uh,
it looks like.
what is
I'm
the input format?
IDOC.
I know.
Yeah.
Okay.
IDOC is just a positional file. I will show you how it looks like. A positional file looks like this. Okay.
So IDOCS means it's a kind of file format.
It is a kind of,
File format.
yeah, it is a kind of file format. Will be a positional file. Okay.
Okay.
The file
Okay.
format which we always receive from SAP. We call as
Mm.
IDOC.
Okay.
This is an positional file. Okay. Apart from that, this is also an IDOC. So this is a output looks like, generally BIG means this is an 810. Okay.
Mm.
That's how it looks like. Okay.
Right.
I've been just giving you a reference. Okay. Just overview. I will explain you later on in proper way.
Mm.
Okay.
Right.
So these are the things. Part. Mhm. So just me close this. Okay. Now coming to the operations. Okay. System. Sorry. Operation system troubleshooter. Why? Why this came? Okay. So here the operation system troubleshooters. Okay. In this, we generally check whatever the failed files and all with our system. Okay. Here we
Okay.
click on business process. Okay. Why this came and not going? Sarang, let me restart my PC. Okay.
Right.
I
Yes.
don't know from where it came and it's not going and not able to
Okay.
select. You can see
Mm.
this, am I right?
Yes. Yes.
Compiling error. It was from map editor.